Hey family, welcome back. All right, so you guys are moving and shaking through this product research module, and I want to just commend you for not only going through the material, but also executing. And if you haven't executed yet, please do so. Because as we mentioned in our earlier videos, every single video, once you're done, you should go ahead and execute on what you guys just learned so you can solidify it and truly have it. This next strategy is something that we do every single day, unbeknownst to us ourselves, right? But now we're going to do it from the marketing standpoint, and that is doing product research on the platform Facebook. Okay, so a couple different ways you can go about doing this, all right? In another video within our program, we're going to show you guys how we do product research from our mobile phone, and we save different ads and such. But we ask that you guys, when doing research with two different devices, such as your phone and computer, because things that you start seeing on your phone, you start seeing them on your computer as well, especially if you're signed into your account. All right, so the very first thing we're going to talk about with our Facebook strategy is going directly over to the Facebook ad library. This ad library is powerful because it's going to show you all of the current ads that are being ran on Facebook and Instagram and their audience network. All right, so to get to the Facebook ad library, we're over here in Google. We're just going to type in Facebook ad library. From there, it's going to bring us right to it. First thing at the top. It may be also called Meta Ad Library as well. Okay, once we land on the site, you can see Meta, like we just mentioned. All right, so this library lets you literally see what your competitors are doing at this very second, okay? So, oh my God, I have this tool, and yes, it's free for me to use, but if you don't have a strategy for it, you can get lost, okay? So a lot of the products that we're going after, they are all within niches. So daughter, father, soulmate, mother, granddaughter, grandfather, grandma. And how we like to use this tool is literally typing in the broad niche. So if I'm going to focus on a granddaughter's necklace, I'm going to type in granddaughter necklace. But I'm not going to type in granddaughter necklace from dad, from mom, from cousin. I'm just going to type in granddaughter necklace. The way the Facebook ad library works is it's basically combing through all the ads to see if someone in their actual ad listing left the word granddaughter and or necklace. So in this scenario, the more that you give it, the less the results. So less is more. So let's go ahead and dive in. Over here on the ad library, I'm going to go ahead and select all ads. And right now we are looking for ads within the United States, but I can literally search all countries if I wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and type in daughter necklace and press enter. From here, it's going to allow me to see all of the ads that are currently being ran. And again, with the keyword daughter
and necklace.
All right. And allow me to analyze it. Okay. So here we are. We typed in daughter necklace. And you can see that we have some ads that are currently running. The time of the shooting of this video is May 4th, okay? So today, we're seeing ads being ran today. So when you're getting inspiration to go create your own version, message cards or whatever it is you're gonna go create, t-shirts, mugs, etc., we like to consider a few things with the actual Facebook ad library. We wanna know when we're analyzing an ad, how long it's been running for. If we see an ad running for several days, that's checked on our list of, hey, I need to pay attention. We also like to look for ads that have multiple ads running. And the way you should think about this is, imagine you actually have a flyer guy, okay? And you realize that in this area, this flyer guy can only hand out 1,000 flyers, okay? But you found out that this area that the flyer guy is currently in is booming. So the type of leads, the type of buyers that are in this area are booming. So in our business methodology is that if we see an ad that has multiple flyer guys, okay, all running at the same time for a long period of time, that indicates to us that they are scaling and they're making money. And another way to think about it is no one's going to run a whole bunch of ads for a long period of time if they're not making money. What I'm looking at is right here, you see this first ad, it says May 4th, 2023, and it has 5 ads running. Now, though this ad has 5 ads running, it's started today. So I wouldn't get inspiration from this product unless I came back a few days later and it still was running and all of a sudden I saw these 5 ads or more running along with it. So we're going to keep going and I'm going to show you guys exactly, one that we will pay attention to. And you're going to see all ads, like I mentioned, daughter and necklace, okay? Something that has daughter necklace, Facebook knows and it will bring it to you, right? We typed in daughter necklace, but it's showing us a Mother's Day, right? There's something on their site, something that this advertiser had ran in the past that has something associated with daughter necklace, which is the reason why it's showing us mom necklace as well. And then here you go. you start seeing multiple ads for a particular product, okay? If we see stuff like this, okay, April 27, April 27, April 27, April 27, and it's the same concept, we'll go ahead and get some inspiration from it because that means that they have been running this particular product for several days, okay? And though it doesn't show multiple ads, at the same time, the advertiser has 4 different style ads for us to take inspiration from. But we're going to keep going, keep shaking and baking. So here we go. We saw this necklace earlier. We see like his mother kissing, right? So we saw this one, same scenario, right? But they are running it today, okay? And I may even dive in deeper, and I'll show you guys how to dive in deeper. Okay, so now it's time to dive in deeper. So an advertiser is testing this particular necklace out, okay? And though I know we're focusing on message cards, this methodology still works, okay? If I see an advertiser, they're all with the same product, and multiple ads are being ran, there's 2 things that are happening, or 2 things that come to my mind. Either they're testing a bunch, or this product is working and they're testing different variations of this actual ad to find more pockets to make more money. So I said this earlier on a call, when you have a winning product, and not to be too technical, imagine yourself on a deep sea fishing boat and you're in the middle of the ocean, okay? And let's say we done found the spot with all the fish. And we go ahead and we drop our actual lines and we are pulling fish up. Every time we drop them, we're pulling fish up, pushing fish up. Well, it's the same thing with marketing. When we all of a sudden find out this single product that they're showing right now is working, then guess what? What we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and add more rods to our boat to honestly get more sales or more fish. So another way to dive in on this actual advertiser to see if they're really scaling this product is simply click on the 3 dots in the corner, and you can either copy this ad URL to actually go to the ad to look at the comments. And it'll bring you right to the actual ad itself in some cases, or just show you the ad, which is showing us the ad, which is not a problem. But I want to show you guys how to actually see more ads from this actual competitor. What you're going to do is take your mouse and hover over the actual competitor's name, page name, and select View Ads. From here, it's literally going to show us all of the ads from this actual Facebook page that this competitor is currently running. And you can see they got 13 ads for these dragonfly earrings. They just started testing those today. So I'm not going to get inspiration from that yet. You can see that, again, these dragonfly, they got 5 more here. Okay, but then here we go. We see May 4th, this one. May 4th, this one. May 4th, this one. May 4th, this one. And they're running multiple ads, okay, all at the same time. May 4th, this one. What I'm looking for when I'm scrolling through looking at my competitors' ads is see if I can find the main ad that started this whole thing to cause them to go ahead and start testing more variations. So as we continue to scan through, we'll eventually find it, right? And I'm just going to keep scrolling down, see what's up. Because no one's going to just start, unless they just really want to test, going to start testing a particular product with no data, right? So I'm just going to keep going. And as you can see, this particular listing has multiple brands they're running, or multiple products rather they're running. And so I don't see the main actual ad. So does that mean we don't get inspiration from it? This one's May 1st. Here we go. So it looks like they started running this 4 days ago. That is the actual product right there that we were looking at. And as we scroll up, right, if we see multiples of that product, 6, May 4th, a different variation of it, May 4th, May 4th, May 4th, multiple ads, okay? That's an indicator that they are scaling up this product is working for them, and you shouldn't overlook, you should get some inspiration. And I know the products that we're going after right now are personalized products that we can create with some of our manufacturers such as Shine On and Custom Cat. But it's the same principle that works for our dropshipping method. Find a product that has multiple ads running for a period of time, and then yes, go ahead and get some inspiration from it. So let's go ahead and see if we can find an actual product that actually has a message card that we get some inspiration from, and let me show you how we find it. Okay, keep going. Okay, here we go. So this product is being ran May 4th. They got 6 ads running. Okay, but that was just today. So again, we're trying to find ads that have been running for a bit with multiple ads running. Okay. See what we got here. 8 ads running for this one. 5 ads running for this one. Now, coach, what happens if we can't find any ads that have been running for several days with multiple ads running? Then you can still get inspiration, right? You can literally get inspiration to see what people are creating, look at the layouts, look at the text. But the whole purpose of this is just to see what people are creating right now so that you can get inspiration to go create something similar or better than theirs without too many changes, honestly. We don't like to reinvent the wheel.
Especially if they have multiple ads running and you notice that there's something on a message card that caught your eye, you can get inspiration from that alone. You don't have to find it multiple times.
So example, here's a name necklace, right? They got 48 ads running. They started it yesterday. Okay, nobody's going to send 48 flyer guys out there passing papers unless
they're making
money, right? Inspiration. Okay, right? And we'll do this process over and over again until we actually find something. 13 ads running.
15.
Okay, 15 ads running. They've been running it for a day. We will come back the next day, see if these ads are still running. And if they are, then we got our inspiration. But this is our Facebook ad library strategy. And the next Facebook video that we're going to show you guys is how to not only like these actual pages and also save these ads, but doing that product research on your phone will start showing you more of these ads. All right, guys, I can't wait to talk to you and see you soon.